What's the most important thing of any video? Well, it's your sound. So today I'm going to review a microphone just for you guys, so stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm Gwendolyn and I am the content creator's best friend. I'm here to make your life easier when it comes to video creation with interviews, reviews, and hacks. And today I am reviewing a microphone that I love so much. It is the microphone that is in all of my videos, so you'll see it a lot, but I'm going to tell you why I love it so much in just a second. But first, comment below and let me know what you use for your sound. Is it something that's internal in your camera or your computer, whatever you're using for your camera, or do you use a lav mic or a shotgun mic? What are you using to capture great sound? All right, so let's get started. So this review is all about the BOYA, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I don't know. It's like BOYA, maybe. I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to start with what I love about this mic, and there are a lot of things, so get ready. The first thing I love is that it has a 20-foot cord, which means I can set up the shot I need and not have to be limited by how close I need to be for the cord for the mic. I also like that it gives me lots of options for what kind of camera I'm using it with. So I do a lot of Facebook Lives. So a lot of times I have the option turned to off or smartphone, so I can use it with my computer. And that way I can capture sound a little clearer than the internal mic in my computer. But then I also use it when I'm using my DSLR, and I can also use it when I'm using my smartphone. So the other thing that I really love about this BOYA mic is that it comes with everything I need. It comes with a battery for the switch. It comes with the clip that I'm gonna need to clip it onto what I'm wearing. It even comes with a little wind guard, which is super fancy and something I'll probably never need, but if I ever did need it and I'm outside and the wind is just picking up something crazy, then I have this option. It also comes with your little spit guard, little topper here, and it comes in this handy dandy little carrying case, which I love because almost all my equipment, and you're gonna see this, is really, really compact and really easy to take with me and throw in a backpack. So I love anything that is just really easy to travel with. Okay, so the last reason I really, really love this BOYA mic is because I get all of this and the great quality of sound for less than 20 bucks. You guys, I don't have any downsides for this review. Normally I do, but honestly, I have nothing bad to say about this BOYA. It does everything that I need it to. It's a great lav mic and it's a great starter mic if you need some kind of sound and you need to upgrade your sound from whatever internal mic you're using on whatever device you're using. I'm gonna put a link below, and I really encourage you guys to invest in your sound. And if you're gonna invest anyway, might as well be something that's only 20 bucks, right? 20 bucks. That's like 4 coffees. And there you go. That's my favorite mic. I hope this was helpful. I'm sorry I didn't have any downsides to tell you about, but really, I just love this mic. So if you like this, go ahead and let me know in the comments below what you're using for sound. And of course, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel so you can see what I've got for you next.